Welcome to the TMC Newsroom. It's Carl Ford again. I'm here with Dilithium's co-founder, Dr. Marwan Jabri. Marwan, how are you?
Thank you very much. I'm at CTIA.
Yeah, and it's an amazingly good show, but let's talk about you rather than the show itself. First of all, tell people about Dilithium.
Well, Dilithium is a company that provides video solutions globally. We have over 100 customers worldwide. Our products touch about 1.5 billion subscribers in the video area. We have 4 lines of products that target specific applications of video in the 3G, internet, as well as broadband space. And we deployed in Europe across the Vodafone Group, Orange, Telecom Italia, in Asia, in the Middle East. More recently, we have won with our partner ZTE an important part of the 3G launch in China with China Unicom. As you know, China Unicom will be launching 3G WCDMA on May 17th. So it's we are a fastly growing company. We've been growing 100%. Quarter on quarter for the past 7 quarters. We cash flow positive, which is very important in today's economy, and we have a very strong mix of products.
And the world that you're supporting is really the video calling type community right now.
We're actually supporting both. We're supporting video streaming to terminals like a handset as well as set-top boxes. So we have products that target the non-video calling. So basically packet, GPRS or HSPA type networks, as well as video calling. So we have 1 line of product that basically target the video calling, and 3 line of products that basically target the non-3G, non-video calling.
Non-video calling and the stuff that does broadcast. And is some of that also IP related, so it's connected up that way as well?
Right.
So what's the mixture right now? I mean, if you look at what's going on with a lot of television is now being, in effect, put on a server to be seen as customers want to see it, right, rather than on demand like you and I would have expected to be the rage 5-7 years ago. What's the drivers right now in the marketplace? Is it all sports related? Is it?
Yeah, we see a lot of interest in sports. Our most successful launches have been related to sport, and this is regardless of the technology that's underlying the launch, whether it's packet or non-packet. And we also see other markets that are more traditional markets that have always flourished regardless of the technology. The adult market, for example, to be always doing well and growing. But obviously, the most mass market applications is the live as well as video on demand to any device, and we're seeing a lot of traction in the IPTV space, where IPTV operators want to not only broadcast or stream their traditional TV channels, but also the user-generated content. So in Europe, for example, we're deploying with an operator that's streaming Daily Motion and YouTube to the IPTV user as a differentiator.
Got it. Now, at Mobile World Congress, you made some announcements about video optimization. You want to talk about what specifically you rolled out?
Right. So in many of the European countries that have launched 3G 5 or 6 years ago, they're seeing their video traffic on the mobile side increasing, and they have to restrict the bandwidth that's utilized by a user. And believe it or not, in many of these networks, they're restricted to around the 100 kilobit. And at 100 kilobit, video is it's probably just enough to not turn off the user.
Right.
Now, with the increase in traffic, the operators are faced. Well, what do I do? Do I expand the network? Do I deploy more base stations with in 2009, in the current economy, this is not really something operators are very keen to do. So what we have done is that we have introduced a product that shapes the video traffic bandwidth at the video layer. So it's a very smart product, which means that it can be introduced in a network in a seamless fashion, intercepting video requests that are originating from the handsets or from the PC with a data card or from the PC at home on a cable, and any request that goes to access a video clip it can then be processed by the DVO, which is our video optimizer product, and where it will implement a policy by allocating to the user a specific bandwidth. And what this means in practice is that the content will be adapted to a lower bandwidth with minimal impact on the visual perception by the user. So to give you an example, if you have a 4 megabit downlink from a base station at 160 kbps, you can deliver video to 25 users. If I can reduce the bandwidth for each user to 100 kbps, because I can take advantage of the codec on the handset,
right,
which offers higher compression, or I can reduce the bandwidth with minimal impact on the quality, say to 100 kbps, I can then put about 48 users on the base station. This is an increase in efficiency of 68%. In today's economy, this is means more revenue to the operator, better user satisfaction for the user experience. So this is since we have announced this product, there's significant interest across the board, not only the mobile operators but also the broadband operators, because they see the traffic shaping for video as a real challenge, and they have been trying to deal with it in different ways. Who do I punish? Because at the end you have to punish somebody, and if you can deliver video to the user without making the user feel that they are singled out and severely punished, and having more users satisfied, this at the end is win-win to everybody.
Good, great. And spell Dilithium for people, just so they know how to get to the company.
So Dilithium is obviously the roots of the name come from the Star Trek series, and it spells DILITHIUM. So the website is dilithiumnetworks.com.
And I thank you for crystallizing my thoughts about video.
Thank you very much. Thank you.